there's any emergency or priority traffic, key up and say brake twice, as in brake, and the frequency will be turned over to you for the duration of the emergency. Now, is there any emergency or priority traffic? Please come now. Is there any routine NTS or National Traffic System messages to be passed? Please come now. Hearing none, is there any mobile, portable, or short-time station? Please come now.
This is Kilo Echo 4, Oscar Bravo Echo, KE4OBE. This is Mike, I'm portable in Carrollton. Good evening, everyone.
This is WD8LQT, Whiskey Delta 8, Lima Tango, John, portable in Dory. This is KM4 KRG. That's Kilo Mike 4, Kilo Romeo Golf. Andrew and Buchanan, I'm going to be short time tonight. This
is KN4AVX, Stephen Carrollton on mobile.
This is Kilo 4, Yankee Tango Mike, KK4YTM. The name is Frank, Carroll County. Short time tonight.
This is KB4RN, Kilo Bravo 4, Romeo November. The name is Rich. We're located over here in Douglasville. Good evening, everyone. I'm going to be short time for tonight. Thank you.
This is KE4FEM, Kilo Echo 4, Foxtrot Echo Mike, Dale, Carrollton. No traffic, short time.
Okay, let me jump in here real quick. I want to recognize KE4OBE, Brother Mike out of Carrollton. WD8LQT, Mr. John, normally out of Fairfield. He's mobile in Villa Rica. You be careful out there, John. KM4, KRG, Mr. Andrew is out of Buchanan. Be short time. There was a KN4, and I didn't get the rest of your call sign nor your name. I need you to come back with that to me one more time, sir.
That would be KN4AVX, that's Kilo November 4, Alpha Victor X-Ray, and my name is Steve in Carrollton.
Okay, Steve, thank you so much. I didn't catch it. It was KN4AVX. I got you, man. Appreciate it. Then I want to recognize KK4YTM, Brother Frank out of Coweta, being short time. Good to hear you anyway, Frank. KB4RN, Mr. Rich out of D-Ville is going to be short time tonight also. Thank you for checking in, Rich. And KE4FEM, Brother Dale out of Carrollton. It's good to hear you tonight, sir. Back to net.
Is there any more mobile, portable, or short-time station? Please come now.
This is Whiskey X-Ray for Bravo Kilo WX4BK. Brian, I am mobile out of Carrollton. We'll probably be running a truncated net tonight as I am still making my way homeward, and sounds like our KN4 station's a newly licensed ham. Congratulations, sir, and thank you for joining us. WX4BK, back to net.
Recognizing WX4BK, Brother Brian. You be careful, Brian. There's been some rain in the area, and you're heading to Temple, so be careful out there. Yeah, it's good to have KN4 pop in here. We've got him down, KN4 AVX out of Carrollton, so it's good to have him with us. Back to the net.
Okay, let's go to Descending Alpha, November Whiskey Stations. Please come now.
This is
November 4, Charlie, Indian Papa, N4 CIP, Scott in Douglas County with no further traffic. Good evening, all.
This is N4 BWR, November 4, Bravo Whiskey Romeo, Blake and Carrollton.
This is W4YPX, Whiskey 4, Yankee X-Ray, JR in Rainsville, DeKalb County, Sand Mountain, Alabama.
Okay, I want to recognize N4 CIP, your brother Scott out of D-Ville. Good to hear you tonight, Scott. Then we have N4 BWR, Mr. Blake out of Carrollton. And here we got one W4 YTX JR out of Ransville, Alabama. Thank you for so much coming in here tonight, JR, and checking into us. Good to hear from you. Back to net.
The call sign is Whiskey 4 Yankee Papa X-Ray.
Oh, thank you. Got it. Okay, YPX. Got you, sir. Thank you so much.
Appreciate you letting me check it into your net.
Thank you, sir. You can come back anytime. Back to net.
Is there any more Alpha November Whiskey Station? Please come now. Here none. Is there any Kilo stations? Please come now.
This is Kilo Mike 4 Uniform Papa X-Ray, KM4 UPX, Brian and Clem.
This is Kilo Mike 4 Bravo Yankee Hotel, KM4 BYH, Wayne and Douglasville.
You know, I'd like to recognize KM4 UPX, Brother Brian and Clem, and KM4 BYH, President Wayne out of D-Ville. Glad to have both of you tonight. Back to net.
Let's open it up. Is there any station, any prefix? Please come now.
This is Kilo Victor 4 Tango Echo KV4TE, Jason in Villarica.
Recognize KV4TE, Brother Jason out of Villarica. Good to have you tonight, Jason. Back to net.
Any more stations, any prefix? Please come now.
This is KE4NIA, Kilo Echo 4, November Indian Alpha, Nick Fairfield. Hi to everybody on the net.
Would like to recognize KE4NIA, Brother Nick out of Fairfield. Good to have you tonight with us, Nick. Back to net.
some now. KK4CTV. What's that? Since Brian is short time, what are we going to do about training?
Well, he says he's going to run a truncated one if he can, so let's turn the net over to him and find out if he has something he wants to impart with us right away, and then after that, we're going to let you hold forth with a full dissertation on what to do in case of emergency. How's that?
Good job.
All right. Let's turn it over to WX4BK lead. Hang on a minute. Let's see if he's there and he can join us. Come ahead, WX4BK, and take over the net if you have something for us.
This is WX4BK. Good evening, everybody. Congratulations to KM4UPX and KE4NIA. They were the first to find the box. Made fairly short order of it, I think. So good job. We were going to talk a little bit this presentation about fox hunting and sort of why we do it besides the fact it's fun. Naturally, it's an entertaining exercise and a lot of fun to get outside and participate in activities like this. But what's a lot of folks don't realize is the skills that we use there can be used in other areas. One of which is locating emergency locator transmitters from aircraft. Even though the new ones transmit to satellite and can transmit their GPS coordinates, not all of them do that. A lot of them will transmit to the satellite, and the satellite can get them down to a certain range, but then we have to close it. Someone's got to close the gap. There's also the fact that there's a lot of airplanes out there that use the old style ELTs, which do not even talk to the satellites, and it's pretty much the way we are hunting the foxes on our regular hunts. You just got to get out there, hear the signal, and then hone in on it. So those are areas where amateur radio operators have, on occasion, been utilized, especially if there's not a local Civil Air Patrol unit or if the unit does not have people trained in that. So there is practical application for this. There's also, of course, harmful interference on repeaters or somebody abusing the amateur radio frequencies, or for that matter, even regular frequencies. We may need to hone in on either a faulty transmitter or somebody who's operating maliciously. But the truth is, it's just a lot of fun to get out and play. So I'm looking forward to the next one, and again, want to congratulate Brian and Nick on their successful hunt. Of course, everybody did find it, so that was pretty good. And with that, I'm actually going to hand it over. John, if you're out there, if you want to say a little bit about the hunt. I sort of blew the two winners there, but if you want to add your 2 cents, I'm going to hand it over to you for a moment. Okay, John, if that was you, you're not quite hitting the repeater. We'll try it one more time and then just pick it up.
Yeah, I'm portable tonight, Brian, so I'm probably not even into it. My apologies, WD and LQT.
That's all right. That was entirely my fault. I gave you no warning that was coming. But you did hit the repeater there, and thank you. So with that, I'm going to hand it back over to net control for late check-ins. We're going to, like I said, it's going to be a truncated one today for late check-ins, and we'll go to the round table. So WX4BK, back to net.
Is there any late check-ins, any prefix, please come now?
This is Kilo Mike 4, Uniform Charlie Victor, KM4 UCV, Brian and Noonan. Good evening.
Recognizing KM4 UCV, Brother Brian out of Noonan. It's good to have you tonight, Brother Brian. Hope all's well with you and yours. Back to net.
Anybody else? Any prefix, please come now. Hearing none, let's go to the round table with WX4BK.
Alrighty, anybody who might have any questions, comments, or other information for the good of the cause, please feel free to call now. Alrighty, I'll be interested to hear the number of check-ins. Sounded like a lot of short-timers, but it sounded like we had a good turnout tonight. Those of you who did, thank you. Like I said, did a truncated presentation because I'm on the road myself tonight. But bid y'all a great evening. Thank you for showing up. And again, congratulations to our new ham who's joined us tonight. So I'll hand it back over to you, Lee, to wrap things up. WX4BK, back to net.
First, I would like to say myself, congratulations to our new hams. And with that, I want to thank Tim Jones for the use of the repeater. And I want to thank each one for your check-ins. How many check-ins, Charles?
You had 18 tonight, Lee.
Great. I want to thank Charles Regina for his valuable help. This is KI4QLV. I'm turning the repeater back to normal amateur use.